This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the sizzling hot River North neighborhood, on the southern boundary of the neighborhood, looking south toward the Loop. And I'm at Wolf Point West, luxury apartment tower with spectacular amenities. It's cold out here, so let's head inside for a walk through a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment at the penthouse level. I've just stepped into apartment 4402. You're looking at plank flooring that extends throughout the living areas, a sleek open plan kitchen with a wide breakfast bar peninsula, Sub-Zero refrigerator freezer, Bosch microwave and gas range, contrasting duotone white upper and espresso stained lower cabinetry, quartz counters. There's a pantry cabinet in the kitchen, a nice touch. And there's a beverage cooler and a small wine rack. Again, a very nice touch. Pendant lighting in the kitchen, and you have these great floor-to-ceiling windows with that spectacular view. Roller blinds on the windows. Headed toward the master bedroom. Solid core doors on the bedrooms, which is great for privacy. A walk-in closet. Again, floor-to-ceiling windows with that view out to the east. Master bath has a linen closet off to the left as you head toward it. Wide double bowl vanity, wide mirror, designer lighting. And the master bath has both a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door and a deep soaking tub with a tile surround that extends up to the ceiling. This apartment has the split bedroom layout. That's great for roommates or small families. Second bedroom looks out over the balcony on that terrific view along the river to the east. Walk-in closet, also with custom organizers. Heading back toward where you would have entered the unit. A full-size stacked washer-dryer, coat closet, and the guest bath off to the right with a walk-in shower and a vanity with similar finishes to what you saw in the master. Wolf Point West has an exceedingly attractive location, spectacular amenities, great finishes, just a very sophisticated overall feel to the building. Definitely one of the ones that you want to have on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.